Remove parts and protective wrapping from both boxes. One will contain your wood frame, and a second box will contain the fabric covering. Metal poles will be wrapped inside of cover. The wooden structure is best built directly on top of the sauna. Place a corner block on each corner of the sauna. Link each narrow side piece, connecting to the front and back corner pieces on each side. The smaller castle cutout will be used on the back wall of the sauna. The larger castle cutout piece will be placed along the front wall of your sauna. Ensure the castle cutouts are facing up to hold the top planks. Make sure pieces are securely interlocked with the narrow side pieces. You may need to wiggle the pieces to make them flush. Face the exterior boards with notches to the outside of the sauna. These will be placed along the side walls. The remaining interior boards will go into the remaining slots to complete the roof structure. The front of the cover will have the longest overhang. Position the sauna top cover flat on top of the wood structure. Ensure the seams match the corners of your sauna. Separate the curtains. They will ship velcroed and zipped together. Starting the left wall front corner, thread the black strap through the silver rod and secure with the black buckle. Grab one sauna curtain panel and position it with the loops at the top facing outwards. Thread curtain on rod with Velcro facing towards you. Aligning one zipper at the front left corner of the sauna door. The second zipper section will end in the back right of the sauna. Thread the curtain onto the rod and secure the rod through the back left strap and secure with buckle. With a long silver rod, thread the back side of the curtain onto the rod, continued from the side wall. Once the curtain is on, secure both ends with the straps and buckles with the second short silver rod. Secure on the back right corner of the sauna with the strap and buckle. Repeat steps with the final rods and curtain panel. After the sauna curtains and rods are in place, zip together both curtain panels. Velcro around the sauna curtains should be well secured. Then adjust the black straps to align with the Velcro pieces to match the inside of the sauna top cover. Velcro around the top of the sauna cover and curtains should be well secured. Tuck in any exposed black straps behind the curtains. Adjust the curtain length to ensure they're not touching the ground. To use the sauna, detach the Velcro from the front corner and unzip the zipper of the front curtain to allow sauna door to open. The sauna cover can remain on the sauna while in use. Please note, there are grommets at the bottom of the fabric sides that can be used for tying down the edges for extreme weather. Tie downs not included.